Hey, what's happening with it, man? It's your boy Young Cat T-Bird, man. I'm in this motherfucker just chilling, man. I'm about to tell y'all folks what this shit gonna be looking like, man. How this shit really gonna be looking, man. You feel me? So, y'all folks just stay tuned this shit. And this shit finna drop right about now. Check it out.
Hey, Young Cash, it's your boy Young Cash